Hello everyone, so if you want to recover a deleted photo or video on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, first of all you need to open up your gallery, now press albums and press deleted items. Here you can see all of your deleted items within 30 days. Make sure that if you want to recover it, you are to recover it within 30 days, because after that it will be deleted permanently. So for example, let's choose this photo and find this recover icon, just like this, press on it, and as you see, it's back to our gallery. Now let's delete it once again. All right, the second way to check on your deleted items is through your Google files. So press Google, press Files, and now at the top left corner, you could see those three horizontal lines. Let's press here and press Trash. So once again, here you'll see all of your deleted items. So for example, let's choose this one and simply press Restore. And now, as you see, it's back to our gallery. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.